Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Tuesday morning, June 17th. Looking at window traders and market profile of the ES and NQ. So the bulls put the dailies back to balance yesterday. However, we have spent a good part of the overnight trading at yesterday's lows and below into, in ES's case, a good part of the rollover gap. NQ got into their rollover gap, but not by a lot. Remember, we have wide pocs from June 12th, okay, that were carried forward because that's from the old contract, right? I don't back adjust. That is still there. We do have 8:30 retail sales out today. Tomorrow's the big one with the Fed. We're 18 wide in the overnight here in ES, 20 wide in NQ. Remember, it's still balanced. Friday's low is our balance low. So that's the level that the bulls are going to want to defend, right? You come out of that to the downside, and a couple of things happen. Not only would the daily be down, but the weekly would be back to balance if you take out Friday's low, okay? So definitely some things the bulls want to defend is Friday's low. Again, the rollover gap, if you fill that, the odds get pretty good of taking out Friday's low. So we're going to see how the things shake out once the market opens. Righty, same thing. Remember, righty took back one gap but held the other gap that has the 3-day island top. Okay? So Friday's low is our hump level for the bulls to defend. For the bears, well, again, they're going to be starting with lower value. So that's going to be a big edge for them. Question is, do they hold that, right? So for me, the value low from yesterday will be the big level for the bears to hold. So that's 85 in ES, and in NQ's case, it is 144.50. Okay, those early on before we get new MGI at two levels. Bears want to hold, and the bulls want to hold. Okay? And then chart-wise, we came into a 4-day balance. Last Wednesday's high is the high of it. Friday's low is the bottom of it. So again, remember, right? It's a 4-day balance for ESNQ and righty. We take out the balance high, the weekly continues to go up because that's a weekly high along with a monthly high, right? If you take out the balance low, the daily goes down and the weekly goes back to balance. Remember, if you're going to use a prop firm, check out Tradeify, best one out there. I have their link. I'm affiliated with them on each morning and afternoon video. I'd appreciate it if you use it. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. You're not going to find a better value for what we offer here on a daily basis. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.